Separating homogeneous mixtures. Methods used in separating homogeneous mixtures. Number 1. Evaporation. This is one of the processes wherein we use heat to separate homogeneous mixtures or solutions. Example, sea water. Number 2. Centrifugation. This is separating components of some solutions through rapid spinning. Example, sugar, or extracting the crystallized sugar from molasses. Number 3, distillation. Let's see how distillation is done in the following video.
We bring the mixture to a gentle boil and vapor is produced. This vapor will rise into the side arm and a thermometer will sit here, measuring the temperature of vapor right as it approaches this horizontal section. The vapor continues into the condenser. This has a central hollow section where the vapor will pass, surrounded by another section where cold water will enter on one side and then exit from the other. This will be constantly running and against the direction of the vapor. This cold water will cause the temperature inside the condenser to drop. So when the vapor enters this section, it will condense back into a liquid. This liquid is called the distillate, and we will collect it in a receiving flask. And just like that, separation is achieved.
Alright, number 4, rectification. Similar to distillation but is applied to gaseous solutions. It involves liquefying the solutions, then boiling it to make each component evaporate. Example of this one is the oxygen in a tank. Liquefied air like oxygen are used by patients in hospitals. Separating suspensions and colloids uses the same method in separating heterogeneous mixtures. So they use, number 1 is filtration. It is a method in separating suspensions with the use of filter papers and other materials that let liquid pass through but strain fine solid particles. Number 2, centrifugation. It is used to separate components of blood. A centrifuge-like machine called cream separator is used to separate whole milk into non-fat milk and fatty cream. A device called electrostatic precipitator is used to purify air, and its electrically charged plates act as magnets that attract particles from the air.